The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 launched last year came with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. However, its successor, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, might have an Exynos chip at the helm. This speculation comes from tipster Revegnus, who said they wouldn't be surprised even if the Exynos is included in this year's Flip 6. And that Exynos chip would likely be the Exynos 2400 SoC, seeing how Samsung launched the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus in Snapdragon and Exynos versions. The Korean brand could break the tradition of launching its foldables with Snapdragon chips. But whether or not it adopts the dual-chip strategy for its foldables or goes only with Exynos remains to be seen. It also remains to be seen whether Samsung will equip the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with an Exynos chip or launch it with a Snapdragon SoC only. Let me know in the comment below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.